Good morning, YouTube. It is your boy, Will Motivation, and today we're up bright and early because we got a lot of things to cover. We're gonna actually take you to a couple of real estate projects that I'm working on. And if you're wondering, why do I like to share these real estate projects? It is because a lot of you guys wanna know how I'm able to afford the Lamborghini Huracan, how I'm able to afford this Aventador. Well, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I do it by investing in real estate. So, let's go. Almost forgot, I got a special guest.
Oh my God.
See? Is that better?
Oh Lord, Jesse made another one.
Let's see how this goes. Okay, so this house and this project was a new build from the ground up. A lot of my longtime subscribers, they're familiar with this project because I bought this land and I started building this house to pay for this car. But I got impatient and bought the car before the project was finished, so we're gonna go check it out. This is Project Huracan. This is actually my first new build project and it's almost finished. Tomorrow we are supposed to have a final inspection, so I wanted to come here, take a final look at the project and see if it is finished. Oh man.
What are you doing, Will?
I'm trying to get in. What kind of code be?
Magic.
You can't show my numbers. Yave. Ooh, the grass is so green here. I'm gonna tell you a secret.
Tell me.
This grass, we planted the seeds for this grass. It's not like turf, it's seeds that grew like that.
Ooh, quality grass.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Oh man, she didn't try the back door. Ah man. Alright, so no luck. I was trying to get you to record so I could show me opening the door for you.
Oh my God, a gentleman. He's learning. Okay.
Ready?
I was born ready.
All right. It's gonna pull you backwards. Be careful. The camera's gonna go like this.
Okay.
You ready?
No, I'm not ready. You're crazy.
I love this car. Damn.
Are you excited?
Yes. All right, so we're pulling up on Project Aventador. So this is the second new build house.
Glenn.
Look at that. Oh, they forgot my window.
Don't forget my window.
They forgot to put a window there. All right, so this is Project Aventador. I call it Project Aventador because I like to use these projects and have those projects pay for my toys. And one of the toys I have is a Lamborghini Aventador. But what is up with this project? As you can see, they have started framing the house. The last time we were here, there was only a foundation, and look at it. So, with them moving so fast, I predicted this project will be done probably in just a couple months. Framing. Once they get done framing, they're gonna add the windows, they're gonna add the siding, they're gonna start plumbing it, and we are well on our way. So let's take a closer look at Project Aventador. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you real quick inside the house as the framing happens. This will be Audris' first time seeing the inside, so I want to see your reaction.
Okay.
Let's go check it out. The house feels way bigger, right?
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'm not going to show you a ticket of shorts.
Okay, thank you.
I'm going to cut that too. All right, look at the garage. All right, so this is a one-car garage, but look, it's nice and deep.
Oh my God.
Somebody was eating some watermelon. So this is actually the bathroom. Okay, all right, you're smarter than me.
Where's the toilet?
The toilet is going to be
Here?
you better be be careful. What if that like
Scare me.
what if they didn't put it secure?
No worries.
My God, you're gonna make me crap my pants.
Oh my God.
All right, so this is the bathroom off the master, and that in the back is the closet for the master bedroom for the women.
It's like a second house.
So there it is. She's modeling the closet. I think the toilet's over here. I think. All right, let's see what else we got. So this is the master bedroom. Now, something that I did that's custom to this house is these windows here. These big windows. They're like picture scenic windows so that they can see the park. You can't imagine if you had this room and you couldn't have that view.
No, the view, it's my favorite part.
You gotta have the view. So make sure to get windows in your master bedroom and make sure to be careful and don't have like people doing stunts. You're making me worry. All right, so right there, there's like, I don't even remember what this is. This is like a loft.
This is
What is
part
it?
of the house.
Oh, you know what, that's the laundry room, I think. This is like the loft, and then we got 3 more bedrooms. So, wow, look how big that windows are, man, dang. Beautiful big windows right there. There's a big closet in this bedroom. Then we'll sneak through here. They got a bathroom they share. This is another bedroom. Nice big window. That's a closet. So they're not sharing a bathroom right there. That's an optional. So big closets in here. This is laundry or bathroom. I can't remember. I think it's a bathroom. Yeah, that's a bathroom. And then we got another 4th bedroom right here. But I gotta show you guys something on the 1st floor. So yeah, this is 4th bedroom. This is a nice little bedroom.
Bye.
I'm gonna have to stay here. Okay, now as you guys can see, but there's a sunroom. Look how beautiful this sunroom's gonna be with the view of you're gonna have a view of the park. You're gonna have a view of no house behind you. That's nice, right?
Yeah.
And a big giant yard, like one of the biggest yards. So the question is, how much is Audris gonna have to pay for this house?
Discount included.
Actually, this house is gonna go for sale for probably, okay, it's costing me $430 roughly, but I'm thinking that we're gonna charge like $500, but it depends on what these other houses cost. All right.
Okay.
All right, so let's see. I forgot to show you something, Audris. So when your mom comes to town, you have a really, really nice in-law suite back here. So she can come in from the garage right here. You're gonna have like a washroom right there, like a little room to store stuff. And then she will have a master bedroom with a bathroom right here. So it's gonna be like a, what do you call it? In-law suite for grandma. It's gonna be a grandma crib. So this is the 5th bedroom right here. And then we'll add 1 more bedroom. So this is gonna be a 6-bedroom house. 1 bedroom on the 1st floor, 4 on the 2nd floor, and 1 in the basement. It's a lot of bedrooms, right?
Yeah.
You have the whole family here.
Family.
Yeah! This is my dream car. That's my baby. That is Knowledge 2.0. And it has a beautiful satin red chrome wrap on it. And man, I just love how this car looks in the nighttime. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this walkthrough of Project Aventador. And what we're getting ready to do now is we're about to get the locks for the other project. And tomorrow, I'll show you the inside of Project Huracan.
Back to the house.
I wanted to leave you guys with a quick message, because a lot of you guys see me driving these Lamborghinis, and I like to share the experience driving the cars and showing the cars on YouTube. But I want to make sure that you guys understand, before I actually bought these cars, I actually invested in real estate. It wasn't a get rich quick scheme. It wasn't an overnight success. It was actually, when I was at the point where I could actually afford a Lamborghini, it took me about, I'm gonna say almost 10 years before I actually bought one, because I wanted to save up as much money as I could, and I wanted to make sure that I invested that money before I actually pulled the trigger on something like this. So if you come across some money, make sure you get some type of investments, whether it's some stocks, whether it's some real estate, whether it is some businesses that you own that produce income for you. Make sure you have that before you have these stupid expensive toys, but they don't come before the investments. All right, see you guys in the next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe. Peace.